how to make and create sports t-shirt design on Canva PC. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create sports t-shirt design on Canva. Now there are two methods from which you can do this. The first one is by creating the design by yourself. You can use different kind of sports elements on Canva. Go to the elements section and search for sport. Now here you will see different kind of sports related image that you can use to create your design. If you are not good at creating design, then you can use templates. Go back to the home page and go to the templates tab. On the templates section, go to the search bar on the very top and search for t-shirt sports design or something like this. After that, search for it and all the related results will come up. You can select any of these designs and make it yours. Just for an example, I'm gonna tap on this one. Once you click on the design, then this kind of menu will pop up. On this menu, you can tap on customize this template to add or remove something on the photo. There are different kind of image that you can use for reference. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.